In today's video, I am making this cherry banana delight. This is another recipe that I use often. I grew up with this as a kid and I would love to share it with you. I dump the Jell-O in and I am going to pour 2 cups of boiling water over the top of this. And then you just want to give it a good mix. You want to make sure all of that is dissolved before you move on to the next step. I like to take a spoon and just check it and make sure it is well mixed. Then I add in 2 cups of cold water. And then I like to give it a mix. And then I'm just going to take the bananas and slice them up. I did have to cut some away. And now I'll just go ahead and slice them up and add that to the Jell-O. This really is a great way to use up some extra bananas if they are starting to go bad. And now I'll put it in the refrigerator until it thickens. That can take 2 to 4 hours. This is a family favorite. I hope you give this recipe a try. At the end of this video, I'm going to put up a couple of my other videos if you'd like to click on them. And if you enjoyed this video, I hope you'll consider subscribing and hit the like button. Thank you so much for watching.